Hello everyone, in this video we are going to explore how you can earn money online. If you are looking for easy ways to start earning money from the comfort of your home, you are in the right place. Let's dive into it. There is an app called WinX, which is an exciting platform that lets you make money online by through some tasks like installing apps, playing games and watching some ads, etc. To get started, you have to download this app from Google Play Store or App Store. Let's go to the Google Play Store, and in the search bar search for WinX app and install it, and after installing tap on open, and here you have to tap on login and tap on accept. And here you have to log into this WinX app through your Gmail account. And here you have to earn coin by playing games and watching some ads and completing tasks. And after earning coin, you can convert that coin into the real money, and you can withdraw that money into your PayPal account, Payer account and USDT account. To earn coin, you have to tap on play button and tap on allow and tap on accept and tap on accept. And here you can see various games that you can play to earn coin. I'll select this one, and here to see further more details of that game you can tap on more. And here you can see the descriptions of the game and rewards of the game and reward conditions also. And the most important reward condition is that you have to download this app using the link in the offer. So to download this app, you have to tap on play now and tap on install. And after installing the app, you have to tap on play and tap on allow. And here you have to solve this puzzle. Now let's finish this puzzle quick. Here you can see I have completed this label. Then let's get back to the WinX app. And here, after completing the task, you'll get rewards. If you didn't get rewards instantly, you don't have to worry about that, because you can get rewards within the 24 hours. And there are some other options to earn more coins also. You can scroll down. And here you can see you can earn more coins by tapping on daily login, or you can play spin and win, or you can watch and earn, or you can complete some other tasks to earn more coins. And for the passive income, you can tap on invite, and you can invite your friends and families through your referral link, and when they join WinX through your referral link, you'll get passive income through their income also. And to redeem your coin, you have to tap on redeem. And here you can see different transaction method. You can see PayPal, USDT, Payer. And to convert your coin, you have to tap on the coins, how much coin you will like to convert into the money. I'll select this one. Now you have to tap on redeem, and you'll be able to convert your coin into the money, and your money will be withdrawn into your mentioned account. So this is how you can earn money online. And if you are interested, sign up for WinX today and start earning money online. And if you find this video helpful, then consider subscribing and leave a like. And I'll be back with another video like this. Thanks for watching. Happy earning!